How to find drafts on YouTube on mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can locate and manage your saved draft videos within the YouTube mobile application on iOS and Android. So this guide ensures you can easily access your unpublished content for future editing or uploading. So what you're going to do is simply click on this plus over here, and then you're going to simply record the short video that you want. So simply record the video and then stop it, and then you're gonna go back. Simply click on this cross at the top left, and once you do so, you'll be able to see options. So you're gonna click on save as draft. Now your draft has successfully been saved. Now if you wish to access the draft, you're gonna click on this plus icon again, and once you do so, you'll be able to see draft over here. So simply click on draft, and here you'll be able to see all of your drafts. So that is basically how you can find drafts on YouTube on mobile. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.